I started my channel and turned on monetization after only 1 week, and this niche worked really well. There are many channels doing the same thing, not just one, and they all make thousands of dollars every month. In this video, I will teach you how to make the same shorts content. I'll show you a simple step-by-step plan, which tools to use and how to start so you can get millions of views. These videos take only about 5 minutes to make. One channel in this niche earns between $5,000 and $84,000 per month, which is an incredibly strong result. Not only that, the channel gains 21 million views and 14,000 subscribers every month, and both numbers continue to grow daily. So you might be wondering, how is this even possible? The answer is simple. We only need 2 free tools, and I'll show you exactly how to use both of them so you can start creating content today. The first tool is Home Design AI. It lets you generate interior designs for rooms and houses, completely free and with no usage limits. This Home Design AI offers several powerful features. Image-to-image transformation lets you upload any room photo and instantly receive an improved or redesigned version with updated decor and layout. Text-to-image creation allows you to describe your ideal room in words and generate fully rendered interior concepts. Diverse design styles provides multiple aesthetics: modern, rustic, minimalist, industrial, traditional, and more, so you can explore different looks. It also supports lightning-fast generation, producing results within seconds, while professional quality rendering ensures realistic visuals. Finally, its privacy protection feature keeps all user data secure throughout the design process. Here you can see some real-time examples that demonstrate what this AI is capable of. I think you now have a good idea of what this powerful AI is capable of. Now, let's go through the process of creating viral aesthetic home videos using AI. The first step is to generate images. You can find empty room photos online, but it's much better to create your own. You can use any AI image generator you prefer. In this tutorial, I will use ChatGPT and PicLumen AI. Since ChatGPT Pro version only allows 3 image generations per day, we will also use PicLumen AI, which lets you create multiple images in a single day. You can simply ask ChatGPT to generate a realistic empty room image in 9:6 format. You will also find this prompt in the description box for easy use. Once the image is generated, just download it. Then you can ask it to create variations, such as a modern room, a wider room, or a room from a corner angle. Feel free to be creative and experiment with different prompts. Create several empty rooms, such as an empty kitchen, living room, or terrace. To use PicLumen AI, first log in to your account. Every day, you will receive 10 tokens that can be used to generate images. Once logged in, select the Create option, and in the prompt box, enter a description of the image you want to generate. If needed, you can also use the suggested prompts provided in the description box. After entering your prompt, choose the desired image ratio and the number of images you want to create. Finally, click the Generate button, and within a few seconds, your images will be ready for use. Follow the same process to generate more images. Create different parts of the house to give your video more variety. After you have a good collection of images, we can move on to step 2. Now to the Home Design AI website. Upload your empty room and choose the 9:6 format. You can choose any aspect ratio you want for your video. The tool will resize your image to match your requirements, and the quality will not be affected. Then pick the room type like bedroom, bathroom, living room, or kitchen. You'll find many room style options here, so choose the one that fits your theme and matches your aesthetic. After that, choose the interior style you like. You don't have to write a prompt unless you want something special. If you want to add something specific or special, make sure to mention it clearly in the prompt box so the AI knows exactly what you're asking for. When you click Generate, the tool will create a beautiful finished room. Download it and do the same with your other rooms. You can make bedrooms, kitchens, living rooms, terraces, and more. You can even change the style or add items like a bed, stove, or refrigerator. Now we will convert the images into a video. For this step, you can use any image-to-video generator that supports start and end keyframes. I am choosing Hailuo AI because I want to use a free version, and this tool offers that option. Go to Hailuo AI. You'll find the link in the description box. Once you're on the website, select the video option. There you will see two choices: image to video and text to video. Choose image to video. Next, click the start button and upload the first image you created using ChatGPT or PicLumen. After the upload is complete, go to the end frame section and upload the final image you generated using Redesign AI. If you're unable to upload the end keyframe image, click the icon and switch to Hailuo 2.0. Then upload your end keyframe image there. Once both images are uploaded, type a simple prompt in the prompt box, such as "Room transforms smoothly." You can also write your own custom prompt if you prefer. If you're using the paid version, you can adjust the video duration and resolution as well. Now click to generate. In few seconds, the video will get ready. Now move on to the second video and follow the same process we used for the first one. First, upload the empty room image. Then upload the end frame image. Once both are in place, click the Generate button to create your video. Now combine all of your video clips using a video editing software like CapCut or Premiere Pro. Add background music, transitions, and any effects you feel are necessary. Once everything looks good, export your video in high quality.